hinahanap mo nga na property ay malapit lang sa Manila at Alabang, located lang sa Imus, Cavite, very accessible dahil malapit lang ito sa Emilio Aguinaldo, Daang Hari, Cavite Laguna Expressway at Bypass Road going to Cavite. Kaya naman kung interested ka, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Ready for occupancy at pre-selling units, meron tayong available dito kay Hamilton High. May option ka pa for inner and at corner units. For corner units, ang minimum lot size natin ay 72 square meters, kaya naman may provision tayo for 2 carport. At may mga malalaki tayong sliding window for proper ventilation at para makapasok ang natural light. Maganda nga din ang layout natin at makikita nyo naman included na upon turnover ang ating granite kitchen sink at meron pa tayong powder room dito sa ground floor. Total improved area for corner lot is 112 square meters. Guys, included na tong storage room natin upon turnover. Cemented at with fence na rin ang ating service area and carport. Meron tayong floor area na 67 square meters, kaya naman may enough space tayo for living, dining, and kitchen area. Sulit na sulit talaga pag complete dahil livable na to upon turnover. Dito sa second floor, meron tayong total of 3 bedrooms at 2 toilet and bath. In terms of community, exclusive ito at meron pa itong complete amenities. Kaya naman kung interested ka, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!